Merry Christmas! No, they didn't go. Merry Christmas to everybody from Big Rob. Merry Christmas! And the problem solvers.
Hi everybody, welcome back to the Feather Place channel. We are going to be doing something really cool today. Actually, a few things that all go together. We'll be creating an ugly Christmas sweater along with a Santa hat and a beard to go with it. Are you guys ready? Alright, I'm going to start with the sweater. We all know how to make a Christmas sweater ugly, so I'm not going to focus on that too much. What I am going to focus on is attaching this boa to the end of the sweater here, and also the sleeves. I will be using hot glue for this. However, if you wanted to save and reuse your boa for a different project, I would recommend sewing it on, so you could just snip the thread and keep it for a different project.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
This is a sweater that I got from my mom. She didn't want it anymore.
Oh, what fun it is to ride on the one-horse open sleigh.
Okay, so this is pretty ugly that I've made here, but we're gonna save it here. We're gonna add a touch of class with this beautiful feather boa from the Feather Place.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
We are finished with the sweater aspect. How's this look? Pretty good, huh? I'm gonna be using some scissors. Alright guys, we're gonna be making a Santa hat now, so let's begin. We've got our piece we've already measured out here. It's 12 inches at the bottom, 10.5 on this side, and then 2 at the top. And we will be needing 4 of these to create the hat. I'm going to be using 2 red and 2 white. The white's for the inside. Now that we have our 2 pieces here, we've got the white on the inside, but we're actually going to be sewing this inside out and then flipping it around. So I've got the whole sides here sewed. We're leaving a space here at the top so that we can put the little pom-pom on top. And I have this left over from the sweater that we made, but if you don't have any left over, just go ahead and use a little bit of our other boa because we will be using this for the bottom trim. So I'm going to be using hot glue to attach this on either side here, and then the pom-pom is actually going to go up through the hole when we turn it inside out. Alright, so I don't know about you guys, but I don't sew very often, yet I still have made this. So even if you don't think you're very crafty, just go ahead and try it out. You know, you could maybe make a really cool Santa hat. And I'm gonna put it on. Let's see if it fits. Oh my god, it's a perfect fit. Guys, we're almost there. One more thing to do. Make the Santa beard.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
Jingle bells,
minute to dry. Speed it up a little bit here if you want to. All right, let's see, I'm gonna touch it. Don't try this at home, it's not dry yet. Maybe even like 5 minutes, you wait. Just imagine doing this all over again. It's okay, but you know, we've all got things to do. It's the holidays. I'm sure you wanna make more things as you have all your supplies out already. So we're gonna wait the appropriate time. Okay, actually, yep, it's still drying.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
How do I look? Pretty good, right? It's a little fabulous. So, you know, just go for it, really. Yeah, that was so easy. It was super fun. And it was also really cheap to do this because everything I pretty much got for free other than these beautiful marabou feather boas for $4 each. So overall, this whole look cost me a astounding $8. So cut.
Merry Christmas.
Can you tell that some of it's in my mouth?
No.
Good.
No.